everyone. I will show you in this video how to update Google Sheets using Python. So like I said in the previous video, I will try to be as simple as possible in this channel, and we can use online tools like ChatGPT and other tools to make web scraping and automation easier. So let's start. First of all, we go to Google Console and we need to create a new project. Sheets update, for example, we name it create. Okay, let's wait for it a little bit. Okay, then we go to API and services library and we choose Google Sheets API. We select it. Okay, API is enabled. So in case it's not enabled, you will see a button enable, so you click it. Now we go API and services again, credentials, create credentials, new service account. Okay, we give it a name, manager for example, create and continue. We give it a role of editor, continue, and done. Okay, you will see here an email of the service account. We copy it and we share our spreadsheet with that email, so the spreadsheet is controlled. Okay, then we go to edit service account, we go to keys, add key, create new key, JSON type, create. Okay, there is a file that is downloaded. We give it a name, for example, credentials JSON. Okay, we go to ChatGPT to help us produce a code. I want the Python script that takes Google Sheet ID and credentials.json and connects to that sheet and print all the rows in the Google Sheet. Okay, let me go back to the sheet and add few rows. Banana, for example, apple, juice, baseball, football. Okay, here we see our code. Let me copy it. Okay, okay, you see the script now printed all the values that exist in our Google Sheet. So Google Sheet is very important in web scraping and automation. So we can use it, for example, to have inputs, then scan them. So let's do an example of that. So maybe we can use the previous script I made in the previous video, that we scrape informations from True People Search. I made little updates on that script. So it's a function that takes a name and a location and returns person name, phone number, and emails. Okay, so let me copy. We import that. Okay, So now, as I said, the sheet we have input the name and a location. Let's, for example, put Peter location, zip code, this zip code. For example, we put a location Texas, and like I said, this should return found name, phone number, and emails. Okay, so let's use those. We need to take to loop through all the rows. So for row in rows, we need to skip the header, we don't need it. The input name will be the first column, the input location is the second column. We pass that our function. In case that you didn't watch the video where I coded the scan person function, you can watch it in the previous video. Okay, let's test our function, our script. It's already scanning for Peter in this location, and you see it found a value and put it in the spreadsheet here also. And you see how important Google Sheets is. So we can here input a lot of values, and our script will just scan them and put the values here. So that's it for the video of today. So I am trying to make more videos. It's not easy for me to make videos. I have been doing automation and scraping for years, but to show and teach how things to be done, it's a new thing for me. So hopefully it will be improved over time. Thank you for watching.